Dr. Chris Nelson here with Nelson Family Dental Group. Hey, I wanted to give you a quick behind-the-scenes look at a set of dentures that we are in the try-in phase with. So just before we deliver a set of dentures, if it's possible, we like to try them in and see what they look like. So let's take a look at these dentures. And this is a kind of a special case because the upper denture is a full denture and the lower denture is what we call a partial with a metal framework. So check this out. This is the actual set of teeth. These are high quality resin teeth, and all of this pink is actually wax. So for this patient, we got to try the dentures in and check them out and make sure that they looked really good. And you know, they might look kind of funny on this model. For most people, they might look and say, wow, that looks weird, or this color is very pink, but this is wax and it's going to be replaced with a very high quality acrylic to match the high quality acrylic resin teeth. So anyways, we've got the upper denture here and it looked fantastic. And then we're gonna go ahead and show you this lower here, which is a lower denture with a metal framework. So you can see it looks like a piece of jewelry, and they just function so nicely. They fit really well, they snap right in, and for this particular patient, the bite was awesome, and she was just very, very happy to have this case tried in. So, you know, why do we do a try-in? Well, I mean, why wouldn't we, right? There are cases where you can't do a try-in, like immediate dentures when you're pulling teeth and putting in the denture the same day. But for most cases, especially when you're having a second denture made or a third denture after an older denture is worn out, we like to try in the denture and make sure that all of our hard work and all of the time and the money and the effort that both the patient has spent and applied and that we've done, all of that time and effort, we want to make sure that we are getting a quality result. So a lot of times our try-ins go so well that we give high fives, and you know, we work with a fantastic local lab, and it's just really fun to have that partnership with our local lab, and that paired with our hard work and then the willingness and the patience of our patients, you know, we end up having some fantastic results. So anyways, I want to give you a little behind the scenes look at a try-in, and this patient's going to be so happy to get the delivery hopefully here very soon. So that's all I have from Nelson Family Dental Group. I'm Dr. Chris Nelson. Our website is www.reddingcaliforniadentistry.com, and we have contact information on there if you ever want to get a hold of us. We do a lot of dentures, a lot of really high quality dentures, and I'd love to be able to meet you or someone you know and help them out with dentures or any other service, exams or whatever you need. So anyways, have a great day and thanks for taking a look. Talk to you later.